Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa aking channel. Nakatanggap ka na ba ng medical allowance mo? Well, kung wala pa, maaring kare-release pa lang ng Notice of Cash Allocation nito. Ito, sa Regional Office 1, nirelease po ang 290.3 million pesos para sa medical allowance. Meron din para sa Sarat National High School, mahigit 497,000 pesos. At saka sa Burgos Agro-Industrial School, 343,000 pesos para po sa medical allowance. Ito pa, ang dami. Mga medical allowance ito para sa Division of Zambales, Division of Olongapo City, Division of San Jose City, Division of Gapan City, Division of Cabanatuan City, Cabadbaran City National High School, Porac National High School, San Vicente National High School, Tinajero National High School, San Isidro National High School, San Luis, Diosdado Macapagal High School, Salapungan National High School, Mexico National High School. Medical allowance din para sa Division of Tagum City. Ito pa, meron din sa Division of Muñoz Science City, Muñoz National High School Annex, Muñoz National High School, Coyapo National High School, Magpapalayok National High School, Talavera National High School, Agbanawag National High School, Dunya Juana Chico National High School, Macabaklay National High School, Bartolome Sangalang National High School, Bungabon National High School, General Tenyo Putlod San Jose, Anton San Mariano, San Francisco Talugtog National High School at Digdig High School. Ito pa, General Mamerto Natividad National High School, George M. Padilla National High School, Julia Ortiz Luis, Palayan City, Ricardo Dizon Canlas Agricultural School, Santa Rosa Teodoro A. Dionisio, Bicos National High Schools. Ito pa, Kabukbukan National High School, Talabutab, Galvan, Hilario E. Hermosa Memorial High School, Santa Rita National High School, Vaca Valley, Cebol, Santo Rosario, Dr. Jose Lapos Salonga, Dr. Ramon D. Santos National High School. Ito pa, Rio Chico National High School, Triala, Mallorca, Caranglan, General Luna, Calaba National High School, Leno Bernardo High School, Peñaranda National High School, Canaan Est National High School, Gabaldon Vocational Agriculture High School, Putlod San Jose, Santo Domingo, Division of Nueva Ecija, Cabiao, Ezequiel R. Lina National High School, Pantabangan, Division of Panabo City. Ito pa, Division of Tabaco City, Division of Ligao City, Division of Catanduanes, Division of Legazpi, Division of Albay, more than tens millions of pesos. Ito, medical allowance din para sa Division of Camarines Norte, Division of Sorsogon, Division of Masbate City, Division of Sorsogon City, Mambulo Nuevo High School, Don Cerveliano Platon Memorial National High School. Ito pa, Division of Davao Oriental, Division of Mati City, Division of Island Garden City of Samal, Regional Office 11, Division of Davao de Oro, Division of Davao Occidental, Division of Davao del Sur, Division of Davao del Norte, Division of Digos City. Yan, mga ka-Jesnabs, kung hindi pa kayo nakakatanggap ng inyong medical allowance, yan po ay kadarating pa lang ng inyong Notice of Cash Allocation. Pinakamatagal na dito ay yung sa August 28, 2025. Yung iba ay kadadating lang nitong September 2, 2025. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.